All right, now it's time for our Chrome Super Heavy 400 A-Main. Here we go, starting on the pole, on Springfield, Missouri, is 67 of Eric Tracy. On the outside of the car, out of 88, out of Holman Summit, Missouri, it'll be Jay Kinder. Row number 2 on the inside from Eldon, Missouri, car number 88X, it'll be Corey Bales. On the outside, in car number 14 out of Lincoln, Arkansas, it'll be Camden Perry. Row number 3 on the inside of Willow Springs, Missouri, it'll be 107 of Michael Conway. On the outside of row number 3, it'll be Springdale, Arkansas, 33 of Cristo. Row number 4, it'll be out of Green Ridge, Missouri, it'll be Blaine Ewing. On the outside, it'll be Aaron Moss. Row number 5 will be the 00, James Sarr, Jeff Zimmerman, Jacob Cater, and Jeff Fohn. Green flag in the air, we're racing. 3 wide battle there for a second off of turn number 2. Caution flag waves. As the 12 of Moss and the 33 of Stowe. We're all over there in turn number 2. And caution comes. Here we go, lights are off. Eric Tracy, your leader. Yeah, Jay Kinders on the outside. Green flag.
I need box stock, amen. Box stocks, amen. Box stocks, 320, amen.
Caution is out. Caution on the speedway. KX, Corey Bales, 3rd. The 14 of Kevin Perry, 4th. And Michael Conway rounding out your top 5. Green flag back in the air. Conway and Perry battling there as the caution comes out. As we got an accident there in turn number 4. Green flag back in the air. Caution flag flies for the 33 of Cristo. The lights are off. Green flag back in the air. Eric Tracy, earlier come out turn number 2. Problems there with your leader, the 67 of Eric Tracy, pulls into the infield. So we got a new race leader now, the 88X of Corey Bales, your new race leader. The 00 of James Sarr now up in 2nd. Bales trying to hold off the 00 of Sarr. Now Sarr on the right, on the back bumper of the 86 of Bells as they come out of turn number 2. Sarr on the inside of Bells as they come into turn 3. Now on the 4. Bells now on the inside of Sarr. They're trading places up there for the lead. Bells, you're still your leader there. Now Sarr, once again, looking on the inside. But Bells close to the door. One more lap to go. Cloud turn number 4, checker flag in the air, 48X of Corey Bales. What a race we had right there. 88 of Corey Bales, the 00 James Sarr giving each other a high five right there. Good clean racing there for the lead. But 88 of Corey Bales held off the 00 James Sarr.